Hey guys, welcome back to the Montlake Terrace High School shop. You're here with Wilson and Mr. Smilser. And this video is going to help you guys safely use the portable drill and pass the required safety test to use the tool. So first step to using any of the tools at the shop is to take care of yourself. So first I'm going to make sure I don't have any long hair, jewelry, necklaces, hoodie tassels, headphone cords, ID badges, anything that can dangle into the fast-moving tool. This includes sleeves, and I'm ready to go. I'm going to make sure I have eye protection on hand. Let's go get the tool. Cordless drills are always going to be housed in here. Grab a battery either behind the batteries, this should be fully charged, or you can grab one off of the charger, insert it like so, and you're ready to go. Always have your eye protection on your eyes. There's no need to protect your forehead. When you change bits, there's two types of drills in the shop. One is corded. You plug it into the wall or any electrical socket you can find. And the other is cordless. When changing a bit on a corded drill, you make sure it's not plugged in. On a cordless drill, you make sure nothing can hit the trigger when you're changing bits. Come on, zoom in a little bit on this, please. To change bits on our cordless drills, we have what's known as a keyless system. So you can rotate this collar and you'll see that these jaws get closer together or further apart. Get them close to the right size of the bit, slide it in, close it, firmly tighten that, and if the bit spins in a coaxial movement, nice and straight, it's good. Sometimes you'll get them and they'll wobble. You need to set them more appropriately. When drilling, you're going to do a steady, even pressure down through the wood. Now there's two speeds that I can spin this. This is slow. This is a number 1 on the speed selector. This is a number 2. The bigger the bit, the slower you want to spin it. This is a small bit. I'm going to use a fast setting. If I was spinning a faster bit like this, I would want to use a slower setting. Let's take a look here. So I'm going to line myself up on my cut.
That's not straight.
How about now?
That's still not straight.
Okay. How about now?
Still not straight.
How about now?
It's still not straight.
Okay. Guys, here's the deal. If you need to do a straight, accurate cut, or you're doing something that might be a little bit more risky, you're going to want to use this tool over here, the drill press, which we're going to explain in another video. In this case, this is going to be accurate enough, and it's certainly more convenient. Line yourself up on the center mark that you've already made on the material. Have somebody help you be straight up and down. And then a firm, easy pressure as it spins. I like to have the bit spin as I come up because it cleans out the cut. What else should I talk to you guys about? We talked about the 2-speed. Let's talk about the clutch. You can use this tool as a cordless screwdriver as well. And sometimes you don't want all the power that this has while doing something that you could damage. Let's go to a bigger bit. I'll show you what I mean. If I put this clutch down to a lower number and I begin to drill, the clutch will slip instead of applying force here. If I go to a higher number, I still don't have enough torque. Big bit's going to require a lot of energy to rotate it. I might go all the way up to 17. You can go all the way to drill, and now the machine will stall before it slips. So that's the maximum torque. Last thing we need to make sure you guys do, after you've taken care of yourself, you've taken care of the tool, we need to take care of the shop and make sure we properly clean up. I'll come back and sweep this in a second. Remove the bits from your tool. If you've used the battery at all, go ahead and throw it back on the charger. Steady blinking is a good sign. And I'll walk over and put these bits away. Guys, feel free to watch this video again if you need to see anything you might have missed. Remember, you need to get 100% on the safety test in order to pass. This video is here to help. See you guys in the next video.